Hi all, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel Vijay Says. So for the first time ever in this channel, we are doing an unboxing video of Zeb-Fame 2.0 speakers. The reason why I bought these speakers and doing an unboxing video is that these speakers will give a good quality within an affordable price. So I hope this unboxing video will help you. So let's start the video. So coming to the outlook of the speakers comes with a box with Zebronics logo. At the end, the picture of the speakers are given. These speakers can be connected through aux and has a volume controller. If you wonder about volume controller, you will get to know about it in some time. And also, the speakers will be getting USB powered. So let's go and see the specifications of the product. The specifications of product are: the output power is 5 watts, which is 2.5 for the first speaker and 2.5 watts for the other speaker, and the frequency response will be 180 Hz to 20 kHz. So guys, coming to our main part of the video, let's unbox the cute and powerful speakers. So here are the speakers with a compact size and a glossy matte finish. The speakers look good, though the performance matters. And coming to the volume controller, here it is. You can adjust the volume however you want. So why late? Let's see the audio quality. I think you can't get such a nice sound quality with this price. The price on the box shows it's $7.99, but you can get this product for $4.99 in Amazon. I will provide the link in description. Check it out. So that's it for the video. I hope you like this video. If you want more content like this video and subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications for more crazy, interesting and informative videos. Thank you. Dot.